Mostly people always ask that which type of vegetables are best in January and February. So I am not speaking anything. I am just going to show you the vegetables those are growing during the January. This is the first week of the January. You can see here, and I am going to show you the garlic. Garlic is growing here. This is the best time for the garlic. Then here you can see fresh leaves salad. You can see the radish, you can see the cabbage, you can see the coriander, you can see the methe, and so on. So I am going to pick the radish in front of you, and this is the best time. Radish is growing everywhere. It's very yummy. You can utilize during your lunch time, and in morning you can make the parathas of the radish. So it's you can see that I am picking in front of you. So these all are the winter vegetables. People always start asking that which vegetables are best during this time period. So you can see that you can grow the radish, you can grow the beetroot, chucandar, coriander, methe, and salad, mongre. So it's the best time. uh, Here you can see that I am going to utilize it during our lunch time. This is the best to eat during the lunch, and most of the people they are using it as a in the morning in their prathas. When I have a time, I will show you that how we people are using the radish in our prathas, and these prathas which we are using very tasty. So you see my salad is ready with 2 eggs, leaves of radish, green leaves, and beetroot, and then radish. So my salad is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.